Start. Appellant is the second respondent in a petition filed under Section 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act. Stop. Respondents 1 to 4 are the claimants. Stop. They are the legal representatives of one Anil Kumar who died in a motor vehicle accident. Stop. It was their case that the said Anil Kumar was riding the motorcycle towards his residence and it hit accidentally on a concrete electric post which stood on the eastern side of the road, and he sustained injuries to which he succumbed. Stop. The fifth respondent in the appeal is the registered owner and the appellant was the insurer. Stop. The claim was raised for rupees 4 lakh. Stop. The tribunal has placed reliance of the full bench judgment of this court reported in National Insurance Company Limited versus Mr. Shah 2003 and held that the plea that the appellant is not liable cannot be sustained, and accordingly it was found that the application under section 163A is maintainable. Stop. It is accordingly that the tribunal allowed the claim petition in part and awarded a sum of rupees 2,70,000 with 8% interest from the date of filing of the petition till the date of realization from the appellant and the owner of the motorcycle. Stop. It is feeling aggrieved by the same, the present appeal is filed. Stop. We have learned counsel for the appellant as also learned counsel for the respondents. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant would submit that being an application under section 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act, it is not open to the tribunal to award compensation to the claimants in a case where the deceased had admittedly borrowed the vehicle from its owner driver and caused the accident which ultimately culminated in his death. Stop. In support of this plea, he relied on the decision of the apex court in civil appeal numbers 353 and 354. Stop. Therein, the apex court was considering a case where the deceased was driving a motorcycle which he borrowed from its real owner, and it was a case that when it was proceeding on the road, a bullock cart proceeding ahead of the said motorcycle stopped suddenly and consequently the deceased dashed against it, sustaining fatal injuries and dying on the way to the hospital. Stop. It is apposite to refer paras 16 to 20. Stop. The aforesaid decisions make it clear that Parliament, by introducing section 163A in the Motor Vehicles Act, provided for payment of compensation on structured formula. Stop.